everyone, my name is Katya, and today I'm going to show you how to make this DIY wreath. You can make it any color of your choice or any style you want. For this project, you're going to need some sort of a wreath form. I'm going to be using a star, and I already started on mine. You can also use a ring if you want to. It's up to you. You're also going to need some sort of a lightweight fabric. I'm going to be using bandanas I bought at the Dollar Tree. Everything here that I'm going to be using is from Dollar Tree. You just want to use some sort of a lightweight fabric. You don't need to use bandanas if you don't have it. Just make sure the fabric that you're going to be using is lightweight and it's shapeable. And you're going to need scissors. First, let's go ahead and cut the strips, and they don't need to be perfect. You just want them to be about the same length. And here what I have is a piece of fabric that is folded in half. I'm just going to go ahead and cut 1.5 inch wide strip. Like I said, it doesn't have to be perfect. Once you have a strip, go ahead and fold it in half, cut again, and then one more time, go ahead and fold this strip in half, or strips, and cut one more time. And that's it. That's all you're going to be doing to your fabric or your bandanas if you're going to be using bandanas. Now, to be exact, my strips are measuring, let's see, close to 2 inches wide and about 5 inches long. Now go ahead and cut as many strips as you can, and then we're going to be tying them to our ring. Next, using your form, what you're going to do is take your strip of fabric, and I'm going to start with the inner layer first. It'll be easier that way. And all you're going to do is come around and make a knot. I'm only doing one knot. And that's it. Push it to the side and then use the next strip. Take the strip, go underneath, and make a knot. Now, if your fabric is fraying, that's fine. Don't worry about it. I kind of like it that way. I don't like it to be too perfect. Now again, take your strip and make a knot. I'm only doing one knot and push it to the side. And that's all it is. It's just using your strips and knotting them onto your wreath form. Like that. So I'm just going to go ahead and continue cutting strips and making knots all along the star, and then I'm going to move on and make it right over here in the second layer, and then into the last layer right over here. Here I finished the first layer. Now I'm going to move on and do the second one. Here I finished the second layer, and I have one more to go. It's hard to see, but it's right over here. But for this part, I'm just going to turn it around and work on my knots using the back side. And just repeat the same exact way, just knotting it all around. So here I finished a row. One thing to keep in mind is you want your layers to face forward, so push them out forward this way, so that way all your strips are showing in the front. And this is how the wreath looks like at the end. I went ahead and I finished mine. All I need to do is glue some of these foam stars onto mine, and I can hang it. It's pretty much finished. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.